A little over 6 minutes left on this incense. Kerbunkafunk.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's a shiny Shanks. Just did this video yesterday. Yeah. From the one I caught the other day. Posted it yesterday. I found sweet for my incense. That's just what I was looking for. A little cherry. Now my life is complete. That's all I wanted on my daily. Well, a milk tank would be nice just to laugh at you. Because you can never get them. A star you! You guys must be selling all this shit. I don't know. Doughnut.
Those pumpkin muffins go perfect with my car.
Good. Enjoy your pumpkin muffins.
I heard about pop boxes yesterday. I got 25 pouches.
No, I mean, it wouldn't be the first time we bought 5 boxes of in Kroger's lately.
My entire cart was filled with Hostess and little muffins.
Oh my gosh, it's a Moltres! It's a Moltres!
Is it shiny?
No, it's not shiny, guys. I did have the video recording coming on, though, still. So we do have a Moltres attack. Alright. We gave him a golden raz. Now we're just waiting for the perfect time. Oh, I missed him with the first bolt. Totally missed him. But he couldn't run if I missed him. Alright, got a nice throw on him. Not anything special. Stay. Stay! Ah, he did not stay. And he ran. Oh, guys. That was the first bird I've seen in a month. Guess if you watch the first part of that video, you'll know I told you I was going to find a Moltres. It's supposed to be shiny, though. But that's okay. Maybe they're going to start coming out for me again. Oh my gosh. Look at that big ugly bird. I mean Charizard. Oh, Pokemon, thanks for giving me a bird, but now give me a shiny one. Not the Pidgey. Yep, 2 minutes left on this incense. Maybe I get lucky, but I doubt it to find a second bird. If I do, it's gonna be a shiny for me and you. I got a fungus. A fungus. blue-eyed Aaron. 34 seconds left. And I got a furfuro. Oh, out of my incense. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 54 pokies caught on the daily incense today, guys. One shiny, but wasn't even out of the incense, and a Galarian bird encounter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to support my channel.